Hey guys, welcome back to G's Kitchen channel. Today I'm going to make carrot chutney. This chutney is very different from the usual chutneys. It's actually super delicious and very healthy too. Definitely try this guys, you'll never be disappointed. Such a easy and yummy chutney to make. Now let's see how to make carrot chutney. In a pan I'm adding oil, mustard seeds, Urad Dal, Channa Dal, Asafoetida. So turn brown, I'm going to add garlic, small onion and dried red chillies. So let this saute for a minute. So it's been a minute. I'm going to add grated grated carrot. You can even cut into small pieces, but I find this really easy for it to get sauteed. To this I'm going to add some salt, some turmeric powder. I'm going to sprinkle some water and I'm going to let this cook for about 2 minutes. I like it to be 70% cooked, not fully. So you can even fully cook it, it's your choice. I like this to cook with some coriander leaves. It actually adds a lot of flavor to this chutney. So I'm going to mix this and let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes and this is done. I'm going to transfer it to the mixie. So I added the sauteed ingredients in the mixie. To this I'm going to add coconut and some tamarind. So there you go. So I'm going to add a little bit of water and grind this to a fine puree. So yes guys, carrot chutney is ready. This is actually very delicious guys. You have to try it. Very delicious and healthy. And I'm going to have this with some dosa. So yeah guys, I also did some tadka or talipa, you can see on the top. So just with some mustard seeds and urad dal. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.